Hello, I'm Dr. Sujeet Shanshanwal. I'm a consultant dermatologist and medical director at Skinama Clinic. Now, today I want to talk about a very common issue, which is acne. So, very often patients come to me and they often say to me that, Doctor, I have blackheads and whiteheads, which I've been having on and off for a long time, but what is bothering me are these pimples which are forming now. So patients sometimes feel that blackheads and whiteheads are different from the red active acne that form. So this is one thing I want to clarify, that they are the same thing but in the different stage of formation. So coming to what is acne exactly. So to understand that, let me explain on why acne forms, what is the process of the disease that happens in the layers of the skin. Now our face has oil glands which are called sebaceous glands. These oil glands are in more density and activity on the face, the chest area, shoulder area, upper back area, and that is why these are the areas where acne eruptions can happen frequently and commonly. Now these oil glands, the sebaceous glands which are there, they continuously form the oil in the glands and that is drained out onto the skin surface. Now, under normal circumstances, the proportion of formation and the drainage stays equal, so it keeps getting released and cleared off adequately. Now, for some reason, if the activity of the gland increases or the duct through which it is drained out, if that duct gets blocked, the secretion will get trapped. So that leads to trapping of the secretions and formation of blackheads or whiteheads. So blackheads are basically the collection which is there. If the opening is in communication with the skin, with the outside air, then it undergoes oxidative changes because of which it appears with a black opening. If the same collection which is there is trapped with the skin overlying it is intact, so that is why it appears white, which is trapped inside the skin. So that is the slight difference between the blackhead or a whitehead, and this is the early formation stage of acne eruptions. Now in this secretion that is lying inside, because of the over accumulation, sometimes the secretions can get leaked inside the skin layers. Also, if an infection sets into the collected secretions, that can lead to inflammation in the skin. Now, inflammation means your white blood cells come into the area and they try to fight against the abnormal tissue that is detected, which should not normally be present. So, because of this inflammation, patients can sometimes notice that they have that red solid bump, which is called a papule, which is also seen in acne eruptions. Sometimes, because of the inflammation, there can be accumulation of pus. That is why sometimes you may notice that there is a yellowish water filled bump that forms, which is called a pustule. Now, the inflammation that is going on, if that inflammation becomes very aggressive and hyperactivity of the inflammation in the region can lead to a big bump formation, which are called nodules, and collection of fluid and pus inside that can lead to a formation of a cyst. So earlier that I spoke about was the blackhead or whitehead, which are called comedones. And the other inflammatory acne type of eruptions, which are papule, pustule, nodule, and cyst. Now these inflammatory pimples that I spoke about, treating that is important because the inflammation can lead to damage in the skin surface and they can sometimes heal by leaving a depressed scar in the skin tissue. So you need to know what type of acne you have and get it properly treated and addressed. Thank you.